Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, I'm collaborating with my dear friend Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things, and he's also from Canada. We are bringing you a Patriotic episode. And I'm using mostly Dollar Tree items, and when you're finished watching my episode, click the link down below and check out what he created in 60 seconds. Are you ready, Dave? Here we go. Start the clock. Yay, I'm so excited. And so I'm starting out with some ribbon, this 8x10 frame, white frame from Dollar Tree, and a page out of the Blessed calendar from Dollar Tree. And so I'm just measuring it and cutting it down to size, and then we're going to be putting it back together into the frame. I love that the frame is already white. And so I'm going to be using the ribbon that's sort of a navy dark blue, and it's got some little stars on it. Now this I picked up at Dollar Tree one year. I've had it kind of forever, but I've also seen it at Dollar General, at Walmart, and usually you can find some really cool patriotic ribbon. And last, I'm just adding a little jute twine bow, and I found a little white button, and we'll just pop that right on. How cute is that? And we are finished. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, I made it. And here it is all put together. I just love bringing you very quick and easy and affordable little projects. I guess that's why I created 60-second DIYs. And I'm so excited that Dave has come along with me on my Patriotic episode because he celebrates July 1st in Canada, and it's called Canada Day. And don't forget to check out his 60-second DIY down below. There's a link, and he has a really great Canada patriotic project for you. So thanks, Dave, for joining me, and I'll see everybody else next Tuesday on my 60-second DIY. Bye, everybody.